Hey everyone! Today's tutorial is going to be a technical one. I'm going to show you how to move your watercolor artwork from one paper canvas to a different type of paper canvas, as you can see here. But before we get started with that, I just want to show you my short painting process. All of the clip art that you can see here was drawn using the Sublime Watercolor brushes, and if you're interested, you can check those out from my links below. Honestly, I was able to draw all of these clip arts in less than an hour using only a couple of brushes. So if you're someone that's wanting to start a clip art business, like selling packages of clip art for like $10 to $20, I think the method that I show you here could be pretty useful. Maybe I am biased because these are my own brushes, but I do honestly think that these brushes mimic real watercolor and look very authentic. So now that everything is drawn, I want to transfer these images to a different canvas because I want to see how it looks like with a different texture. I want to move it from the cold press to the vintage canvas. So let's just start by going back to our cold pressed canvas here, and here are all the layers. If you have any clipping masks, you will want to merge them together like this. I'm also going to merge layers that I want to move together, so for example the grapes and its stem. Now we're going to start deselecting the layers that we do not want to transfer. So that would be the sketch layer, the paper texture layer, and the background. Then you'll end up with an image like this. After that, you go to the top menu here and select Copy Canvas. Let's go back to the gallery to paste the images into the vintage canvas. We go to the top menu and then paste. Now you have just pasted the clip art to the vintage canvas. But because this transfer made all of the clip art to be clumped into one flattened image, it's difficult to edit one item by item. So if you want to isolate one item, for example this sandwich, you can try copying certain items separately. So I'm just going to copy these 3 items first, just like how we did before. As you can see, when we copy, it flattens the layers into one image. So now let's go back and grab our sandwich layer separately. So I'm going to select that layer and deselect the other items. And now I'm just going to copy canvas again. And then paste the image into the vintage canvas. As you can see, the sandwich is on a separate layer, so if we wanted to edit just the sandwich, for example, we could go to Hue, Saturation, and Brightness and toggle the hue back and forth, and you can see that it only edits the sandwich. So that's it, guys. Super easy, right? Here I'm just reorganizing the separate layers and putting the food clip art onto the wooden board. Anyways, I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.